Hi guys, welcome to this video. You're probably wondering where the hell we are. We are currently in Goa, India. So in this video, we just wanted to reach out to you guys and ask you, or if you have any questions about property in Goa, anything to do with boundary issues, we'll be happy to help. Just leave it in the comments below, or you can message us privately.
Yeah, and more specifically, she said boundary issues. So, like if you have encroachment over your land or anything like that, or any disputes with neighbour, family, those type of things, any litigations essentially, just comment below, or you could just contact us through our JL property page on Instagram, and we can point you in the right direction. Yeah, you want to say bye?
You can say bye.
Bye.
See ya.
Until the next video. Our videos will be a bit more kind of like a bit more raw. For example, like we're not going to be editing this, we're just going to be just doing the videos. We're kind of busy at the moment at this time, so we won't really have too much time.